Hi everyone, I'm Manoj Tyagi, VP of Architecture and Development at DBS Bank, with nearly 20 years of experience in IT. Over the years, I have worked across a broad stack: Java, Python, SQL, Spring Boot, microservices, and more. I have had the opportunity to lead projects that make financial systems smarter, faster, and future ready. From automating loan approvals to building fraud detection systems and secure digital vaults, delivering millions in business value. Academically, I'm an IIT Roorkee graduate, CFA Level 3 certified, and have done a postgraduate in AI and machine learning from the University of Texas. At my core, I'm passionate about fintech innovation, bringing technology and business together to build secure, scalable, and impactful banking solutions. I'm super excited to launch this channel as a space to decode modern technologies. We will start with AI and ML, given how much they have captured the imagination of both tech and non tech folks alike. Whether you are tech curious or looking to level up your skills, we will walk through everything step by step. No jargon, no overwhelm. So, whether you are a software engineer, product owner, data trust professional, or a business leader in fintech, you will find something valuable here. These sessions are designed to help you figure out if a problem can be solved using AI or ML, and if it can, which model would be the right fit. What you learn here will help you make smarter decisions both in your daily AI and ML tasks and at your work. Your feedback truly matters. If anything is unclear or there is a topic you would like me to cover, just drop a comment or shoot me an email. I would love to hear from you. Let's learn, build, and innovate together. Thank you.